Hey everyone, and welcome to November's Vengreso Core Values Recognition. Although, of course, it is December because we're looking back at last month. And honestly, the whole team has been amazing. I'm just in awe of how everybody is coming together. But we do have some special recognitions. As usual, our core values, and by now everyone on the team probably has these memorized. But I gotta say, these couldn't be reflected any better in everyone in Vengreso. I'm amazed every day at how all of you really embrace all of these core values, including getting crap done. So I want to thank especially F and Chom for that. You guys get a lot of crap done. So this month's nominees are for WOW service, both internally and externally. We've got Mario, of course. I think he's going to probably be on every single one because he's really, you know, he's really the man who has kind of pulled this vision together and yay, clapping, and keeps us in place. And, you know, I have people who ask me and say things like, well, aren't you, you know, you came from this, you built up this huge brand, and when you came to Vengreso, you know, weren't you like kind of like bummed not to be CEO? And I see all the work that Mario does, and I'm like, he can have it. So I'm very glad to be Chief Visibility Officer and have Mario as the leader at our helm. So thank you so much, Mario. We've got Bryn, and man, has she ever taken the ball? Was it taking the ball? Whatever the saying is, she's really jumped in this month with our new learning management system, of which I'm in the middle of recording everything. So big kudos to Bryn. Anastasia, who keeps our whole communications on track with Entreport. She's been working overtime. Wendy, I can't thank you enough for fixing all my grammatical errors.
Which there aren't that many of.
Oh man, I think I'm like, oh man, I nailed it. Wendy's not even gonna have to like spend 10 seconds, and the next thing you know, it's redlined. But I thank you so much, and my mother thanks you for correcting my grammar. As I said, with F and Chom, you guys, we could not run Vengreso without you. You are the backbone. You are amazing. And Megan too. I just thank you everyone for everything that you are doing for Vengreso and through your just absolute wow service. Let's add for embracing and driving change. Bernie, Megan really have been just at the head of running through our content and creating new possibilities there. And of course, F and Mario, you know, you can't say change without thinking of the two of you.
Did you just say effing Mario?
I thought I was the only one who heard that.
I must say that 10 times a day, but I didn't think you were going to say it.
F and Mario.
Hey now.
Forgot the ampersand.
Exactly.
Oh.
Never forget that, yeah. Mario, of course, driving the change, and Efrel making sure that it all comes together. Mario. That's actually really funny. I think that's our new hashtag. Yeah, weirdness. Again, fun and weirdness. It's not surprising that these three were recognized for that this month. And then same thing with being adventurous, creative, and open-minded. Chom, you're always coming up with solutions, and you're open to all the changes we throw at you. So I want to thank you specifically for that. Yeah, pursuing growth and learning. Needless to say, this whole team has been supporting all of our efforts, both in the content creation, content marketing, and this new LMS is coming through. And Anastasia, man, I'm sorry about next month, but I think you're gonna be doing a lot of Entreport activity, or this month actually, because it is December now. And then, as always, just people's ability to engage with each other. You know, sometimes we have some rough edges. And sometimes we roll our eyes, and sometimes we say effing Mario. But you know what? Everyone has been so open and comfortable with communicating. And you know, I would throw Perry up here too. I'll have to do it next month, because Perry, what you are always doing is thinking about the best possibilities for our, you know, for our personal branding and ways that we can improve it. And so I'm going to throw you up here next month as well. Team spirit, positive family. Again, you know, we've got the 5 of you who are just keeping us going. So very, very grateful for that. And then passionate and determined. Bryn is nothing if not passionate. Same goes with Mario, but also Efrel, Anna, and Sham, you are so passionate, but you're also determined that we succeed, and that is very much appreciated by me, and I think I can speak for the whole core team. And then, of course, getting crap done. Everyone on this slide has been so active in getting all of our initiatives moved forward this month. So thank you for that. During a holiday, you know, and with Denise as well during her sickness, being able to move forward. So here's just a few things that some of the team have said about some of you. Yeah, Bryn, talking about Efrel and all of the work she did. And I remember being on the phone with Bryn, and she was just going, I can't believe everything that Efrel does, and being able to do that training long distance, because sitting for 1 or 2 days in front of a computer while other people are learning face-to-face for that scrimmage project, that was super, super impressive. Similarly, Kurt talking about Bryn. Yeah, she has just jumped on this LMS, and as I go through the system myself and looking at everything that she set up, she's done an amazing job at organizing us for that. Efrel, Anna's very patient and helpful. Yeah, she is the master of Entreport. And
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yay, Anna. Yeah, like seriously, I had Entreport before joining Vengreso, and I had a really good person I worked with, but Anna, you are the master hashtag. You know, you really are.
Yes.
So thank you so much. And then, you know, Anna talking about Sham, you know, it's just so efficient and good at organizing things and getting things done. Like, I really, really appreciate everything, Sham, that you're doing. As does Anna. And then Bryn talking about Bernie and how he's really stepped up and helped her moving forward in her project, even though it's not his, you know, it's not his swim lane. Bernie's always willing to help. Wendy, speaking about Sham, and I think we can all agree that she is incredibly pleasant, very accommodating. She does have a good sense of humor. She's a little cheeky, not just polite and cheery. She's a little cheeky even. And then
literally tricky.
A little bit cheeky. I like it. And then Kurt, I love this. Wendy thought my Thanksgiving blog was clever. Flattery gets you everywhere. But yeah, Wendy, thank you so much for your turnarounds. We throw things at you last minute because, you know, sometimes we're not as organized on our end as we should be. And you always jump in there and save the day. So I have to.
Always good to do them as
Kurt.
quick as I can.
And we know it's going to take maybe a little bit more than the 48 hours we've had, because things are really busy right now, and it's the holidays, and we have all these new initiatives. But
It's all good.
We want to thank you for that. Yeah, and then Wendy thanking Efrel for doing the training on teamwork. Yeah, thank you, Efrel, because I thought I had, but I get in there and I'm so confused. So thank you for taking the training on teamwork and then helping us all with it. And it only took her a few minutes. I love that. She set it up anyway, and it didn't even make me feel stupid that it only took a couple of minutes. Yeah, Perry. Yeah, Bernie's videos and his podcasts are phenomenal. I agree with you on that. And then, as I was saying before, and I'm not going to read my stuff, Bryn has been amazing on the LMS, and Efrel, I've said it over and over today. You just rock. And Sham, thank you
A very
much
long
for saying
message
that.
for Mario.
Exactly.
It's an essay.
Bernie and Mario. Effing Mario. But it's true. I mean, that is one thing about Mario. He does question, and he does listen. And he does take responsibility for helping the team to learn and know and train them in what all of us need in order to succeed. So I really appreciate how Mario's been a mentor to many of us, if not all of us. So I'd have to agree with you there. All right, so the winner. And let me stop talking for a minute. That's hard for me to do. But is there anything that anyone else wants to add about anybody else on the team?
I want to add something, but I don't want to do it until is the winner going to be something we haven't heard before? Because I don't want to steal the thunder. I'm going to hold it.
Okay, you can hold it. Anything else anyone else wants to say?
I think this slide means to say winner for on November 2017.
Oh yeah, man.
Okay.
I knew to change my name, and the winner for November. See, I did change it there. Is Efrel. In recognition of appreciation for exemplary performance and contribution to Vengreso. Yay! Excellent.
Congrats.
Face. Yeah, notice I did change my name.
If I'm not mistaken, that's 2 months in a row, is it not?
Yeah.
It is.
Girl.
Dynasty.
Well deserved.
Efrel.
Yep.
Okay, Efrel. All right, we're gonna have to go with a 2 month in a row. Let's see if you can go with a 3. Who's willing to challenge for 3 months in a
All
row?
right, there we go. The challenge has been laid down.
Okay, now can I say
Great job,
something?
Efrel.
Now I have to say something.
Okay, say something, Kurt.
Well, I mean, just to your point of, is there anybody else we're going to add? So I woke up this morning thinking about our awards thing, and I thought to myself, I can't believe I didn't nominate or say something about Bryn bringing in that Penn Life deal. I mean, that's
Holy
the
crap.
biggest deal. Right? That was a November deal, right?
You'll notice I did, though, Kurt.
Remember, this is being recorded and we'll put out on YouTube, so yes. You talk about it.
No, edit this out. I didn't remember that, so edit that out.
All right, we'll edit that out. Yeah. She's landed our biggest deal to date, and we just really want to recognize Bryn for that. So yeah, absolutely. Okay, cool. Anything else anyone wants to add in our monthly recognitions?
No, I would love to see, I love seeing everybody's face on there. We obviously starting to see a consistent trend, and the great news is that everybody is actually recognizing. So if your face isn't on there, don't worry. It's not that nobody noticed you. We appreciate everything that you're doing. And the key is making sure that we get you on there for the following month. So no worries whatsoever. We recognize every single person's role and effort in helping us succeed. And I personally want to say thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mario.
And no more effing Mario.
F and. See, but we have to put the two of you together because you have the ideas and she makes them happen. So, all right. Well, thank you again for November, for all your work you did. Our next awards are on you've already marked the date, but the next time we'll be talking will be on, I think it's June 4th, for our awards. Yes, January 4th, same time, same place. And and as Mario says, maybe we'll see some new faces up there as well. So thank you so much for all you do.